Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we'll learn how to create a dashboard, and then take a look at some features in BMC Helix Dashboards. BMC Helix Dashboards is a SaaS service on BMC Helix portal. You can use the product to create interactive dashboards for your environment. To create a dashboard, you must first create panels. In panels, you must configure queries to fetch data from your environment. Let's see how to create a dashboard. In BMC Helix Dashboards, hover your mouse over the Create icon, and click Create. Here, click the Add New Panel button. Now, we must create the first query. Select a data source from your environment, and select a query type. Based on these, add a query for the panel. Add other required information, and select a visualization type. In this release, BMC offers the BMC bar chart as a custom visualization type. Thus you can add multiple queries to the panel. Add multiple panels to a dashboard before saving it. Once done, save the dashboard. Let us now see how to configure some advanced settings. From any dashboard, use the settings icon to configure some advanced settings for the dashboard. Use this page to specify general settings, such as name and time options. Next, you can configure annotations to mark points on a graph. Use this page to configure variables that you can reuse while creating multiple panels in the dashboard. Then, you can add links to other dashboards or to any websites. From here, you can view the version history of the dashboard. If multiple dashboard versions are available, you can also select versions for comparison. Here, you can add permissions to provide or restrict access to the dashboard. Click here to view the JSON model of your dashboard. For instructions on using all these settings, see the BMC Helix Dashboards documentation. In BMC Helix Dashboards, click this link, or click here, to open the BMC Helix Dashboards documentation. Use the documentation to learn more about the product and how you can use it. Thank you for watching this video.